So welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial you will learn how to write component in the discuss about this component basis like that. In the previous video I told you like that what is component and what kind of component like that. Three of main component and basically a header from home and footer, but in this tutorial I'm gonna discuss this more like that. Here in this picture you will show that here are three pattern like this, and at first this is F component, okay, then this is home component, and inside of the home component you will show that two component like that child component, okay. So this is basically three component here. Of what I clear already to do like this, like that you are showing this picture, and firstly you are showing this home and F component, and I'm just going to like home component this, okay. So and you'll when you will come in the next like the third, then you will show the two component inside the home component. It will be just like that cell component of the home component, okay. So this is the like parent component of F, then home, then this is the cell component like that. Component recursive component, and the data must be function, and obviously you will read this for vue.js 3 documentation, full of documentation, I hope. Then you will understand easily, and you will show that this picture, okay, for an example. And already I discussed this picture. Okay, just I'm going to my Visual Code Studio, and I'll simply minimize this code, and you will show that this is in the last previous video. In the last video we discussed about this before loop, okay. So it's like that table, and simply comment it, and here just I'm gonna delete this data, just simply I'll comment this, okay. Then I'll come back inside of the F, and you will show that here is nothing, just a logo, then title and link up and title, okay. So simply I'll delete this here, okay. Then just delete it, import, otherwise you will get error, okay. Then just simply delete this, and obviously you will delete this component, okay. Then it will be successfully run. And just will come back inside of the in my browser, and you will show that before loop. Okay guys, so just I'm gonna creating this inside of this folder like this component. Here just I'll simply create this home component, it will be already declared, okay. I'll type it here, another like that home view, that's it. And simply I'll create this template here like that, use it, simply default, and you'll easily create this, okay. So just inside of this template I'll create this another div like that home, it will be okay. So here export like that this name home, home.view, home, then hyphen, then view. Make sure that with comma, and make sure that with semicolon. Okay, so come back inside of this home, then f like the parent component, and just simply import it. Big mistake like that, you will import same name and same component. It's not allowed in the vue.js, but when you try to this, then you will get error like that. Okay, so just simply delete this. Okay, so simply delete it from here, okay. So inside of this home folder, just you will create this template, and this is the templating system, and obviously you will whole of code on your code, then you will write here inside of this template. So basically this is our templating system, and this is component. You will create this another component like this home and about.view, then simply type here view, and it will be show that automatically, and you'll just type here h1 about. Okay, then export it name, and it just simply type here about. Okay, make sure that with semicolon. It's on after you, but I don't use it now. Import home, import about, and about, and from, like that, and you will simply copy it and paste it here. Just delete this line, and here change this about.view, and export to it here. Okay guys, so when you will export it here, and obviously you will call this component like that about. Okay, so that's it. I'll simply delete this, and it will be here. Okay guys, simply I'm gonna creating this inside of the div like that, div.about, and inside just I'll simply cut it and paste it here inside of this. Okay, so here I'll just call this class name like that, home or about, and just I'll give this padding and margin. Just simply I'll give this background color like that, background color. And just I'll simply like that give this margin. Okay, so that's it. And okay guys, so you will show that this is really amazing, and we'll just simply show that about and about. So here I'll just cut it, and I'll use it height, and it will be 600 pixel. Okay, so that's it, and you will show that okay, this is good. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the basically our component, and this is app is parent component, and it will be set like that. Home component, it will, and the inside of this, and you will create this another component, it will be child component. Okay, so today I'll finish this tutorial. Thanks, I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to like this tutorial, and obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thanks for watching.